Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Rockstar Games Launcher on Windows. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To download the Rockstar Games Launcher on Windows, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the official Rockstar Games website URL. Press enter to navigate to the site. Once on the home page, look for the Games tab in the top menu. Hover over it and select Rockstar Games Launcher from the drop-down menu. You will be redirected to the Rockstar Games Launcher page. Scroll down until you see the Download for PC button. Click the Download for PC button. A file will begin to download to your computer. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder. Locate the downloaded file titled rockstargameslauncher.exe. Double-click on the file to start the installation process. If prompted by a security warning, click Run to continue. The Rockstar Games Launcher installation window will appear. Follow the on-screen instructions to proceed with the installation. You may be asked to choose an installation location. Select your preferred location or stick with the default path. Click Install to begin the installation. Wait for the installation process to complete. Once finished, click Finish to exit the installer. You can now find the Rockstar Games Launcher in your Start menu. Double-click the icon to open the launcher. Log in with your Rockstar Games Social Club account or create a new one if necessary. You are now ready to start using the Rockstar Games Launcher on your Windows PC. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.